Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with battleye. You are getting the error battleye update fails or the battleye launcher failed to launch the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, you need to open up your Windows security or whatever antivirus you are using like Avast, Norton or AVG. In case of Windows security, you need to click on the option Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on Manage Settings, scroll down and under Exclusion, click on the option Add or Remove Exclusion. Now here you need to click on this plus tab and choose option File. Now one by one you need to add the exe file of the game that are giving you the error. I'll take an example for you. Like in my system, in Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, I have a game installed with the name GTA 5. Now in this directory I have 3 or 4 exe files. So simply click on this type option and all the files will be available right in front of you. You can see right over here I have 3 files: GTA 5 Enhanced, Enhanced BE and GTA 5. Select the file, again click on Add File. Now choose the second file, again add the file, this time choose third file, again add file, and you must choose a file inside a folder with the name battleye. Here also you will find the exe file of the battleye. Select the file and click on the option Open. Now once added all the exe files into the exclusion list, close it and launch the game and the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, in next step, simply delete the battleye folder by opening the game directory. Again, I am taking example of GTA 5, right click, manage and select browse local files and you will find the battleye folder. Just right click and choose option delete. Once it is deleted, hit the play option, and once you hit the play option, you will get an error that the battleye is not available or not installed. Close the error, restart your Steam and again launch the game. This will reinstall the battleye into a PC and in turn completely fix out the issue. Now if this also failed, in next step you need to open up settings menu. Then click on time and language and then click on language and region. Now over here scroll down and click on administrative language settings. Now click on change system locale. Here you will find the option of beta, use Unicode UTF-8. Make sure you must check mark this particular option. Then hit the OK button. As it is asking that it will restart your system. So go ahead, restart your system and then launch the game, and the issue of battleye launcher failed to launch the game or battleye update failed will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.